The co-ed soccer team has 4 times as many boys on it as it has girls. We say that the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls on the team is 4 to 1. We read this as, 4 to 1. So what two quantities are we comparing? Well, we're comparing how many boys there are in the soccer team compared to how many girls there are in the soccer team. Let's create a table to represent this information. And here you go, a color-coded table. How pretty. But what numbers do we put in the table? Oh my goodness, oh my garness. Well, the numbers of boys and girls, of course. So this should be pretty simple. We put in 4 boys on the soccer team for every 1 girl. So we put 4 under boys and 1 under girls. But what in the world am I going to put in total number of players? Well, we have 4 boys and 1 girl, so we have 5 total players. Easy so far, right? Now, let's keep the ratio the same. For every 4 boys, there's going to be 1 girl. Now, what in the world would happen if we had a soccer team with 8 boys in it? How many girls would we have? If your answer was 2, then you're 150% correct. Because remember, for every 4 boys, we have 1 girl. So if we have 8 boys, we'll have 2 girls. But how many total players do we have? If you thought 10, then you're 150% again. Good job. I hope you're starting to see a pattern. Okay, so you can see what's going on. You're adding another group of 4 boys, another group of 1 girl, and that means that you have another group of 5 total players, which gives you 8 boys, 2 girls, and 10 total players. The truth is, you can add on tables all you want, but the faster and more convenient way to do it would be to multiply. So in this case, what times 4 equals 8? What times 1 equals 2? 1 times 5 equals 10. If you said 2, then you're right. 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 2 is 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, what if I add another team? You had 2 teams before, so you multiplied by 2. Now you have another team. As you can see, I'm doing the addition part for you, but the multiplication part I'm going to leave up to you. What do you have to multiply by to get the new numbers at the bottom? Your job, very easy. Put the new numbers on the bottom. How many boys would you have if you had another team? How many girls would you have if you had another team? And how many total players would you have if you had another team? And then you have to tell me, well, what goes in right here? What goes there? Okay? That tells you how many teams you have. You're multiplying by the number of teams you have, so it's pretty easy.